welcome to another vlog. So today we are gonna do first lunch, have burger today, and go shopping for my mom. Mom wants to buy leather wallet. I'm gonna buy that for her. And look, there is bird poo-poo on my car, and my car is pretty filthy. So we're gonna wash my car as well. Let's spend day together.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're
Sweet potato fries, my favorite.
It doesn't really matter, 'cause it feels so free now.
Ooh, looks really good. Looks very fresh. onion ring. Very crunchy.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter.
Came to buy my sister's present. I think I like this. And mattress cover. Do they only have king? Not super king?
They have Super King.
Do they?
It's down the bottom. Well, last time they had it. Might be in another section.
A few moments later.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found. It doesn't really matter.
It's all clean now. Ooh, shiny my car.
A few inches later.
So I just got home and today, as you saw, I bought my mommy's wallet from Gucci. I know it's an expensive brand, but I never actually bought my mom any really nice gift. So I wanted to buy mom a nice gift. And as you know, me and Gabe are going to Singapore first. I'm gonna buy my dad a gift as well from Singapore. Of course, duty free. That's it for today's vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know my life, and if you want to follow more vlog and watch it, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. 안녕. Bye.
'Cause I feel so free now.